So I just picked up an old oil drain bucket. We got our 10W30 4-cycle motor oil. That's for snow blowers, lawn mowers, small engines. We got a 5/8 wrench. Now I also want you to stick with me through the whole maintenance, through the whole video, because I got a very important tip at the end. I don't want you to miss it. The first thing I like to do is crack the oil dipstick, take it out. That just lets the air flow down through. It helps the oil drain a little better. We'll open up our oil outlet. Let that drain for a little bit. Looks like it's going a little slow. I know it doesn't hold much oil anyway, but I think I'm just going to put a block of wood under the front just to tip it up a little bit. That made a difference. So this snowblower is an Ariens 12.5 AX254. It's the deluxe model, 28-inch width, 21-inch height, deluxe 28. So even when you pull out your oil dipstick or your check stick, the oil still might look clean on the stick. So what happens is it can build up with condensation over last winter in the spring, and it's good just to get that old oil out. You know, it doesn't hold much. It's a pretty cheap maintenance fix, so why not do it? All right, we got our oil all drained out. Put our cap back on. I don't know, it probably took 4 or 5 minutes to drain the oil. Wasn't very long. Tighten this up. You don't have to reef on that, just snug it up, it's fine. We also have 3 grease fittings, one behind the wheel right here. Then you have one on each side up front. I usually put 4 or 5 pumps in them every fall. All right, so let's add some oil. There's your oil. Now before you start adding some oil, don't forget to take that block of wood out from the front. Give that time to run down in. And that's where we want it, right there. Sometimes you got to move your stick the way the light shines on it, just so you can see it, because the oil's so clean. But as you can see, it's right at the second dot. That's where we want it. So that took right around 600 milliliters, a little bit less than 600 milliliters, right around 20 ounces of oil. So not very much. You know, it's pretty cheap maintenance fix, really. I've had this machine now for 8 years and it doesn't give me any issues other than regular maintenance like your belt. As far as any other maintenance, guys, I just kind of give things a little spray with some lubricant. Just keeps stuff from rusting, keeps everything working properly. Doesn't take much. All your cables, springs, I'll work my levers. Work that lubricant in. Another thing I'll do is top it off with some fresh Supreme gas, high test gas. Clean the dust off a little bit. You know, since I've owned this, I haven't had to change the spark plug. It's 8 years old, still working fine. Why bother? Alright, I think we got everything ready for winter. Snowblower's done, ready to go. So now it's time for me to mention that important tip that I asked you to wait for the end. So after you're done, you want to head over to your fridge. So there's a real beer. I think I'll slide that to the side. I gave that up 10 years ago. So now I still like the taste of beer, but I buy this Budweiser 0%. Gonna sit in my comfy chair. I got the fire going. And you just want to admire your work. Have a cold drink. You know what I mean?